everyone. Today, we're going to talk about an amazing vitamin called biotin, also known as vitamin B7, and its incredible benefits. First is healthier hair. Biotin strengthens hair follicles, reduces hair loss, and promotes thicker, healthier hair growth. Next is glowing skin. Biotin improves skin hydration, promotes a radiant complexion, and helps with dryness and itchiness. Do not forget the nails. Biotin strengthens the keratin structure in nails, making them less prone to breaking and splitting. Boosts metabolism. Biotin aids in metabolizing carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, converting food into energy more efficiently. Supports brain function. Biotin helps maintain cognitive function, improving concentration and memory. Improves digestive health. Biotin supports healthy digestion by assisting in the breakdown of macronutrients. Enhances immune function. Biotin supports the immune system, helping your body fend off illnesses and infections. Reduces inflammation. Biotin can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is beneficial for overall health. Supports heart health. Biotin helps maintain healthy cholesterol levels and supports cardiovascular function. Aids in weight management. Biotin's role in metabolism can assist with maintaining a healthy weight. Promotes cell growth. Biotin is essential for the growth and repair of body tissues, including skin and hair cells. Helps with blood sugar control. Biotin can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for people with diabetes. Supports pregnancy health. Biotin is important for fetal development and can help prevent birth defects. Improves mood and reduces depression. Biotin can support mental health by helping to regulate mood and reduce symptoms of depression. Enhances energy levels. Biotin helps convert food into energy, boosting overall energy levels. Supports thyroid function. Biotin plays a role in thyroid function, which is crucial for metabolism and energy regulation. Promotes healthy sweat glands. Biotin supports the function of sweat glands, helping to regulate body temperature and detoxification. Aids in muscle repair and growth. Biotin supports muscle health and repair, making it beneficial for athletes and active individuals. Enhances liver function. Biotin supports liver health and detoxification processes. Supports healthy gums. Biotin helps maintain healthy gums and can prevent gum disease. Enhances athletic performance. Biotin's role in energy metabolism can enhance physical performance and endurance. And that's it for today's video on the incredible benefits of biotin. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and I'll be happy to answer them.